Good Midwest morning, everyone. This is Nicole, your mobile bloggist for TOCtown.com. And today I wanted to share with you my planner setup for my winter workshop as I set up from the months of October, December, and all the way through March of 2019. So these are the planners that I set up, but in order to keep track of the process and how I'm going to do it, in the midst of a move, is going to be challenging, but this is a system which I've tried before, and since it worked in a smaller aspect, I thought I'd try it in a bigger aspect because it's going to cover more months and time as well as distance. Okay. So pretty much I did an unboxing of the ODM headsets as well as the mic that I'm keeping in this case. So I decided to keep my pencil pouch. Well, actually it's a purse that I converted into a little pouch. So just to give you a brief walkthrough. It has two pockets on the side, and I keep my favorite pins that I need on my live and local station. My blue G2 Pilot, my Uniball Vision, which writes in black, and then even though this has a pink case, this is my Uniball Signal, but it has a black ink cartridge refill. So anytime I'm on the go or just even working here in the studio, then I can pick up this case and know that it's filled with whatever I need at the time of prepping my planners to be published. And also, if I have to run and on the go, I can just zip it up and take it with me, knowing that my mic and all of my planner equipment is already packed. Okay. So just to finish up, I do have my little mini iPod in case I'm on the road, need to listen that I just broadcasted. And also, I think I shared this with you before. I had some inserts purchased from Paper Penguin Co. Yep, Paper Penguin Co. And these are the personal size, but they're undated, unmarked, and the paper quality is pretty thick. So I know I can stamp or use a heavy ink refill cartridge on it, or even stamp directly on it. So I'm going to be using these throughout the weeks, and because they're undated, unmarked, I don't have to have that added pressure of using it every single week in order to fill it up. Okay, so that's already marked and ready to go. And okay, let me zip this up for a second. And push this to the side. I'll get back to it. I already went through the planners that I'm going to be using in order to function on a day-to-day basis, which is my Moleskine Daily. And all I did was pretty much set it up for daily notes that I need while I'm planning, publishing, as well as ideas on future podcasts. So, and then I just changed out my, my blotter, so in case I'm on the go and need to, move pretty quickly, I won't worry about the pages smearing. I did a full walkthrough on both of these. I'll go ahead and link them in the card above. So next up, I want to share with you, I'm going back into my Leuchtturm 1917 and using it as a bullet journal. So pretty much I already started marking in it what I'm going to be using it as, but I'm going to be sharing with you some of the things that I've already done on my Patreon account. In case you're interested in supporting our Planners Planet, as well as some of the creative content that we produce in order to go overseas and do restoration on the environment, as well as creative writing. So but that's more details in another video on that. And what I did with this Get to Workbook planner, which is dated for 2017, was I went ahead and actually tried to directly stamp on it. But the paper is not exactly, a heavyweight quality, except for the, the month at a glance, the left side of it. But the right side, since this year in 2018, it's, shaded for, it's not really a part of the week. The first day in 2017 was on a Sunday, but this year it's on a Monday. So before I get ahead of myself, I went ahead and pre-stamped the whole month for 2018 and just left this blank because I figured this is like another level in case you want to just start, upcycling your planner. And what I plan to do with this is pretty much write out the vision of what I want to do for the fall season. And then on this page, I'll leave it to, maybe a sample of what I do while I'm on a stamping staycation or mini retreat. And then I went ahead and blocked out the previous 2017 dates and then stamped over them. So I think they came out really, really, really nice. So, and because I think the eraser sort of kind of helped, the behind the weight, not necessarily the weight of it, but when you stamp on it, it's not necessarily going to shadow on the other side. So I was able to go ahead and fulfill the whole month and get ready for Small Business Saturday, which is actually in 2018. It's on November the 24th. So what I wanted to go through with you on this post was how I plan on outlining, storyboard, scheduling, recording, editing, producing, publishing a scheduled post, and also distribute it throughout my social media stations. I'm going to cover that in this month of October, on a weekly basis, post step by step on how I actually prepped, published, produced, and then distributed all of my creative content. Then that'll give you a better idea of what's to come for the winter workshop in 2019, and I hope you'll join me for that. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this channel, and stay tuned and click the notification bell so that you know when my next video will be posted. So last but not least, I already did a complete setup video on my 2019 creative calendar that I'm going to be producing. Let me open it up here. So see, it's already dated for 2017, but as I share with you how I set up the one for October, then you'll get an idea on how you can pretty much, if you have any planners, that you want to use for your creative content in planning out the whole year, you can. But pretty much I want to just share with you, my whole year of how I plan out my creative content. So I think that is it for this post. If you have any questions, of course, link them down in the comment section down below. But this is going to be my planner setup for the 2018 fall season, and I'm so looking forward to sharing more with you on the Planner's Planet. I'm Nicole, your mobile bloggist for TOCtown.com. Until we meet online or face to face, be blessed.